Zagadat. Same time body 10. It's your boy.
It's Kelly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with this amazing, natural but at the same time very glamorous look, and I'll be wearing my lace frontal and I'll be like doing my baby hair for you guys to see how I got it done, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. This look is for a photo shoot that I'm going to. I wanted to get my own makeup done, and so here you go. It's a good look and it's very sexy at the same time, very classy and glamorous. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
Zagadat. Same time body 10. It's your boy.
It's Kelly.
My baby they confuse me yo with that bomb bomb. But she get the guy where they send her. Zagadat. Same time body.
It's time for me to curl it, so I'm gonna have a big waves, and I'm going to use my arrow wand. This is how big it is actually. So yeah, watch me.
Zagadat. Same time body 10. It's your boy.
It's Kelly.
My baby they confuse me yo with that bomb bomb. But she get the guy where they send her money from London.
So here's the final look for the... No, actually, I haven't done my lips. How can I forget my lips? Anyway, I'm going to like spray my hair at the moment, and then for the hair is the final look. But then I'm gonna go on with my lips, and then here we go, it's done. I'm gonna spray my hair with the L'Oreal Elnet Satin. It's my favorite so far. Yay. It's too bright. So I've got like something very close to my lips color. So I'm gonna go over it. So
Anti-wave.